kids. My colorful ball. I have a beautiful ball that I love to play with. It's not just any ball, it's a colorful ball that makes me happy every time I see it. My ball is red, blue, green, and yellow. It has big, swirly patterns all over it that make it look like a rainbow. When I bounce it, the colors seem to move and swirl around, making it look even more beautiful. I like to play with my ball in the park. I bounce it on the grass, throw it up in the air, and catch it. Sometimes, my friends and I play games with the ball, like soccer or catch. My colorful ball is special to me because it reminds me of happy times whenever I see it. I think of playing with my friends and having fun in the sun. My colorful ball is a wonderful toy that brings me joy and happiness. I love playing with it and watching the colors swirl around. It's a special part of my childhood that I will always treasure. My ball is a beautiful sight. It's full of colors, shining bright. Red, blue, green, and yellow too. My ball has all the colors. It's true. It's a happy ball, full of delight, making me smile with its colorful sight. I love to bounce it and watch it spin, seeing all the colors blend and mix within. My ball is special, one of a kind, a colorful treasure that's always on my mind. I take it everywhere, to the park and play, showing it off in a happy, colorful way. My friends all love it and want to play. We bounce it, throw it, and dance all day. My colorful ball brings me joy and cheer. It's a symbol of happiness that's always near. I'll keep my ball forever and always, a colorful reminder of happy, playful days. My ball is a treasure that's full of delight, a colorful friend that shines so bright. Baby.